Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, your teacher in the subject engineering drawing. Friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and in this video we are going to obtain the orthographic views of a component which is given in isometric view. Friends, you have a component here, a rectangular block-like component with a rectangular slot at these two faces and a semicircular projection with a circular hole in that is given. And friends, basically to simplify or for ease of understanding, you have to obtain the overall dimensions of the given object and obtain its the top view, front view and side view. Friends, if you observe this figure, when you are looking in the direction of F for obtaining the front view, you have the overall dimension of how much? This is 20 plus 40 plus 20. This is 80. Exactly in the center you have got a rectangular cutout. And apart from that, there is a semicircular projection which is of radius 20. Means this diameter from here to here, it would be 40. So this height is 40 from there. So this is 30 till this top surface. From there it is art, that is the radius 20. Our height is equal to 40. So 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Friends, here you can just see here, this is R20. So this is going to be how much? Radius 20. Yes, this width is 40, height is 20 only. So friends, in the front view, you can have a rectangle of 80 and the height equal to 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50. So friends, I am going to have a rectangle here of length is equal to 80, this dimension, and the height is equal to 30 plus the projection of that is 20, 50 millimeter. I have shown here, friends. Similarly, friends, when you look from the end, from this direction, friends, you will have this is 60 width, that is, this is 60, that can be shown already, shown in the top. This is 60, and the height is 30 plus 20, 50. Same as whatever you get in the front view height, that will be same here also. That is going to be 50. And in the top view, friends, you have got this is 80, this is 60. You will be able to see the length 80 and width 60 in the top view. So this is 80 by 60 because this is 80, this is also 80. And this is the first point or the first procedure to be followed. Next, friends, in the second step, we are going to view the object in the direction of F to obtain the front view of the solid. So, friends, when you look at this, in this direction, friends, you have a rectangle of 30 height, width 20. 30 height, width 20. And in the center, it has got the same height 30, but the width is equal to 40. So, friends, I am going to have this line at a height of 30 millimeter marked here. So, friends, I am going to mark a line here, a thin line in the front view, and this I am going to divide in this ratio 20, 40, 20. So exactly from the center, this is going to be 20, this is 20 and this is 40. Friends, this is how this rectangular block looks here. So one rectangle, two rectangle, three. So a bigger rectangle is the center one. These two are small rectangles, and I will show one of the dimensions here as 20. Yes, this is 20, 20. Yeah, this is 20. This dimension is 40. And finally the last one is 20 again. So these two are symmetrical. So these two have the same dimension. This has got double the dimension. And friends, this is at a height of 30 millimeter. because over that you will have one more dimension. Friends, exactly in the center of this, you have got a semicircular projection of height is equal to 20. So friends, here I will take the center of this and draw a semicircle which will have a dimension of 40. Radius is 20, diameter is 40. So very obviously friends, you are going to have a semicircle like this. So we will show the center of this, and this is the center. And again friends, you have one more circular hole drilled throughout that projection. So I am going to have a small circle exactly in the center of this, and this will have a radius of how much? 5 ton means diameter ton. This is ton, and this has got a radius of how much? That is R20. I'll write down here. R20 means it has got a radius of 20. So diameter becomes 40. This width is also equal to 40. Friends, what else you see? So this surface, the top surface, is this line that is represented by this. So we have completed this. Then friends, there is a slot cut to a height of 15 millimeters from the base. But when you see from this direction, friends, you will not be able to see. So this line will come here, and you are going to have a dotted line at a height of 50 millimeter to show this top surface of the rectangular slot. At what height? 15 millimeter, friends. It is there throughout 80 millimeter. So friends, I am going to have this exactly in the center of this height, a dotted line. And friends, this dotted line will clearly indicate that there is a slot cut throughout from this to the end that is cut. So I have shown by a dotted line. This dotted line is for the rectangular slot cut here, 30 by 15. It is a rectangular slot. Friends, that's all we have in the front view of the object. Next friends, let us move on to the top view of the object. Friends, for the top view, you will have to view the object in the direction of T. So when you look from the top, friends, you will have a rectangle, that is this portion, a flat surface with a cutout here. Friends, that is in the front. You are going to have a cutout here. How to get that cutout distance? That is has got a width of 40. Exactly from the center, 20 on either side. Exactly from the center. So this is the center same, and we have got 40 millimeter width. 40, and height is equal to this 40 millimeter width. And this is 10 mm. I have not shown, this is 10 mm. So you will see that depth 10 millimeter, and this is 40. So friends, this is in the top view, yeah, and there is going to be a slot cut, C type thing, and that has got a height of 10 millimeter. Friends, this is how this slot appears. And remember friends, this portion won't be there, it won't exist. So this has got a dimension of 10 millimeter, and a width is equal to this much, same as this, that is 40 millimeter width that we are seeing. Friends, this rectangle, this projection is seen as a rectangle in the top view with width is equal to 30, and length is equal to 40. So along the major dimension, you are going to have this exactly in the center. So from the center, it is going to be how much? This is 60. You have to mark the center of that, center of this length. So friends, in the center of this, so we are going to have a rectangle for the circular surface which is seen from the top. So friends, you are going to have a rectangle like this. This is the rectangle you see friends here, and there is a hole drilled in that. That hole can be obtained from project from these, and there is going to be a hole cut here. So I can project from here, or I can take the same distance on either side of this slot and obtain. Friend, this represents with the axis this slot that is drilled here. So we have the slot drilled, the rectangular face we have got here, which has got a dimension of, this is 30. So this dimension is 30 and the other dimension is 40. I have taken exactly from here, so it is 40. Friends, what else you see in the top? In the top, this slot which is cut throughout the length of the object is not seen. So I have to mark exactly in the center of that. That is, in the top view, we have to mark two lines to represent this. So it is there throughout the length. So what is the width of the friends? This is 30 throughout you have got. In the top view, 30 throughout. So from the center, so we are going to have this throughout like this. So that I will show by a dotted line. Friends, this has got a dimension 30. And friends, this is cut throughout the 80 millimeter line. Friends, we have completed the front view of the solid, which we call it as FV, and top view is also complete. Before that, let me darken these borders of the figure. So this is the top view, this is the front view friends. Here only we have got this line, the portion that is to be shown by dark lines is this part. And friends, this is the part that is retained. The portion shown here by dark lines is that part. So we have got this, friends, the front view of this. This also will show by a dark line. So friends, we have got this line. So we have got the front view, we have got the top view. I will show a thin line here. So this is the top view, and finally we need to obtain the end view of the solid. End view or the profile view. So we are going to view the object in the direction of E to obtain the left hand view, and that left hand view is obtained on the right profile plane, that is the wall to your right. So friends, what all you see here? We'll just take one by one. So friends, we have got a rectangular thing like this, 30 height. So 30 I will just project. So this rectangle I am going to see. This is height 30, 60, 60 by 30. So this is 30 I have marked already, and there is this block marked. So we can take this from here. We can project from here and obtain that at the center. So this should be a thin line, a projector, a projector. So you are going to have up to this height, up to this height you are going to have that. So that will have a width is equal to 30. So I will show it in bold, dark color. This is the one end, the other end of this slot, and this has got a height is equal to the 15 mm height. So I will mark it 15 here. So friend, this gives you this slot. In the end view, this C part we have got, let me darken that so that you will be able to visualize how that looks in the end view. I will darken this, I will darken this also. This part is over. Friend, this circular portion, the projection above the flat surface, is seen as a rectangle of this width, and height is equal to 20. Height is equal to 20. So exactly in the center of this, friends. Exactly in the center, you have got a width of 30. So this is 30. So you can simply project from there and get this. This is how that rectangle will look. So this is, friends, This line is for this, and we have shown this. So this is not existing. I have shown by thin line. This is to be shown by thin line. Then what else you got? You have got a circle. So this is seen here. So you have to just project the line from here. And friends, for this radius, that is diameter 20, radius will become 5, 10, sorry. So you have to have a circle shown by two dotted lines and a center line. So this is the representation for the circle. This top surface is this. Friends, what else you see here? You have this projection, and again finally friends, you should see here, there is a slot which is cut. Friends, in the front view, it's seen as a rectangle. In the top view, friends, there is a portion. So this slot is to be shown in the end view also. At what height, friends? This is on this side of the solid. So we have to show it. You can simply project there, project from there, and you will have for this height a slot cut. That is of depth. How much depth is equal to 10 mm. So friends, I am going to have here a dotted line. This dotted line will represent this slot, that is 10 mm height. I am marked here. We can simply project from there like that and project it upwards. You will have that. So that is seen in the top view. That is, the slot is seen as a rectangle here, and in the end view it has got a width is equal to 10 and over a height of 30 mm. You have the dotted line. Friends, this is the left hand view, and I will call it as LEV. LEV means left hand view or left side view or left profile view. They mean one and the same, and always the left hand view is obtained on the right profile plane. Friends, I hope you are able to grasp the salient points explained here and how to start with the drawing of the isometric, or you can say orthographic view of a solid which is given in isometric format. Friends, go through the problem, practice this problem at home by taking actual dimensions. Then you will know exactly how you are going to get the front, top and end views. And I am very sure it is going to be something exactly like this, even though it is drawn by manually. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share the information about this video and also about my channel with all your friends. Have a wonderful day, and I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.